Hello everybody, so today I will talk about ASVAB Arithmetic reasoning. You just went on a blind date and wanted to impress the girl by adding an 18% tip on the total cost of the meal. Two entries came to a total of $35.9. The total of desserts came to $7.5 and the beverage total cost was $6.6. What is the 18% tip going to cost? First, we need to sum on the total cost of the meal in here, and we just sum three number. And this is about $50. So because they ask about 18% tip, so you use 50 multiply with 18, and that's about 9. And the answer for the question in here is about D. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.